What's up, guys? Another video today. Today I'm gonna show you how to Bondo pretty much any part of the car. Important thing about Bondo is you have to clean the surface really good. You have to clean it. You have to clean it with mineral spirits, acetone, alcohol, whatever you have. So that way the Bondo sticks better. Bondo you don't want to apply too thick, because if you apply Bondo real thick, it's gonna crack. So yeah, Bondo is right here. I got it at Harbor Freight. It's $11, I think. So it comes with the hardener and it comes with the Bondo. So I'm gonna set you up right here, just so you can see how to mix it. Alright, there you go. Bondo, important part about Bondo is when you get it, make sure you stir this, as well as this. You want to stir this as well, because this needs to be stirred as well. So just keep pressing. Make sure you have a plastic or glass. In my case, I have a glass, which this side is all bad and this one is clean. So yeah, what you want to do is open the Bondo. And then of course grab if I have a clean one, which I don't. That's fine. I can use the one. Grab a squeegee. Get the amount you need. Okay. Then you add hardener. Depending on how much hardener you apply, you add in this mixture, it will either dry fast, or it's going to dry slow, or it's going to dry normal. If you add a lot of hardener, it's going to dry really fast. That's really good if you're doing some body work in winter. So yeah, I'll apply a medium amount. Mixing. How do you mix it? Don't stir it. No. You just squeegee it pretty much until it starts changing the color. You can see it's getting brownish. If you add a lot, you have to work fast. Like I added medium amount, which I still have to work fast to apply it. Make sure you just pretty much squeegee it. Don't mix it, because you're gonna leave the air bubbles inside Bondo mixture, and that's not gonna be good for your when you're sanding. It's gonna leave a little pinholes in your Bondo, so when you have to fill up those as well, the final product is not gonna be good. Anyway, right now I'm gonna show you how to apply. Oh, let's go. Let's go right here. Right there. So now we're going to be applying this thing. Like I said, you don't want a lot of Bondo. It's gonna leave it's gonna crack over time. Me, I'm just filling up some holes. That's about it. I might apply 2-3 coats. I will probably apply 1 coat, let it dry, sand it down, apply another coat, let it dry, sand it down until I get desired flatness of this thing. Important is have your room ventilated, because this thing it is not good to inhale, so make sure you have some kind of air circulation. Or you can use a respirator. You can do that as well. Because yeah, as you can see, I am just doing the thin layers of this Bondo, also known as a body filler, depending where. The shops use this a lot on a bare metal to fix dents, to fix imperfections in the metal. Some shops I've seen people using primer, epoxy primer, before applying this. I do not see a need for it, even though you can do. You can apply a regular primer, then sand it down, and then apply this body filler. If that doesn't work, you can even apply a filler primer over it. Sand it, depends what you're looking for. But if you apply a lot of a body filler, which is Bondo, it will crack. It will eventually crack because of that. Also depends what kind of Bondo you buy. The one that I got is Harbor Freight, the $11 one. So nothing expensive, but it does the job for what I need. So yeah. Yeah, make sure you remove whatever excess, because it's going to be harder for you to sand later, because this hardens like a rock. So yeah. Alright, well, that's pretty much it. Make sure you wash this. Alcohol, acetone, mineral spirits will work. Give it some time to dry. Like I said, depending on the amount of hardener you put. Sometimes it dries faster, sometimes it dries slower, depending what your what you want, because mine is already drying. It's almost dry. I mean, it's not almost dry, it's just hard to apply, so it's drying faster than I expected. Anyway, that's about it, guys. Hopefully, I mean, Eclipse build is coming up really good. Everything is masked. Everything is pretty much, whole thing is masked. Just getting ready to sand this area here for the carbon fiber plugs. This area here, Bondo as well. The windshield is masked. Before I start sanding, I gotta mask this whole area too. And as well, this one is done. This Bondo here is applied as well. I'm gonna probably start sanding it pretty soon. Yeah, other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I got me a stand for a camera, so the videos will be better. It's gonna be easier for me to work instead of holding it with one hand. My next video, I will probably upload something new regarding probably sanding or painting. We'll see about that. Anyway, you guys have fun, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you like it and subscribe. Laters.